Well, hello. I'm Rives Collins. I'm the director of Digging Up Dessa, and we are thrilled, all of us, to welcome you to this world premiere production of an exciting new play, Digging Up Dessa. It's a piece that invites us to look for mysteries and truth. If you like dinosaurs, I think this is your kind of play. I believe in putting stories into the world. That's what directors do. The playwright finds the world and puts it on paper. The director takes the words from the paper and puts them all back into the world again. I think this is a piece that excites me because it is an empowering play, especially for women and girls. It is a piece that, well, it makes me laugh a lot, even as it shows us kids who struggle. But this is a play that doesn't say that you don't need to be afraid. It says move forward even if you are afraid. That's what real courage is. Laura Schellhardt, our playwright, has worked with middle schoolers in Chicago and in Evanston, Illinois, to help be sure that we're telling the truth as it's seen from the perspective of young people. We can't wait to welcome you to the theater. You dig around for fossils. You never know exactly what you might find.